Today I will be making Earl Grey Ooey Gooey bars. Two of my favorite things. So I hope you didn't think I was going to just try to blend these, but not make them. If you didn't see that video, then after you see this, go ahead and open it up. Some softened cream cheese. I usually just use cream cheese by itself. However, I have sour cream, and I didn't want that to go to waste, so I'm gonna add that with the cream cheese and sweeten it with my powdered sugar. I'm gonna use cake mix. If you want to do yours from scratch with the flour and everything, go right ahead. But I'm not, and don't feel bad about it either. Don't need your Earl Grey tea, and this is one of the packs. I'm just gonna open it and use this. 2 eggs. This is medium size. You're gonna need your butter for the Earl Grey tea. You got that citrus and floral taste. I still want to drop the taste, a little bit more. And I also had these, so I'm gonna use my orange peel. You don't have to. If you have a regular orange, you can adjust that. Also, too, I just ordered this, the lavender vanilla finishing sugar. So I'm gonna use this. Okay. Smells like florals and cream. It smells lavender, florals and cream or something. That smells good. And to balance it off with some salt. Yeah, so that's about it, y'all. I'm gonna get started. Alright, I'm gonna make the cream cheese filling real quick. Alright, this is great Earl tea. Smells so good and floral. It's citrus. It smells good. Cut this bag and open it. I'm gonna push that down in there. Now I'm gonna go ahead and put sour cream. All I'm gonna do is blend it up. I can get like lesser in volume, and then I'll go ahead and add the extra stuff in. Lord swell. Alright, I blended it. See like the little specks in it? Alright, now I'm gonna take my orange peel. Half a teaspoon. Lavender vanilla, like a tablespoon. Put up my powdered sugar, like half a cup. I know if that's not sweet enough, what I'm gonna do? Alright, push this down in there, and I'm gonna go ahead and blend it. Alright, I blended it again. I need to add the salt. Even though I eat it with the eggs in it, I don't mind. If you watch my channel, you know I did that a couple of times. Alright, taste it now again. That's good, but then you go adding a little bit too much salt. I'm gonna add in some more lavender vanilla. This is good. Then eggs. You're not supposed to do it over this, kind of, but I'm not trying to make more dishes. Alright, I went ahead and transferred it because trying to do that in that small thing, it's a no. Alright, just go ahead and mix that and combine the egg as well. I'm put that to the side. Box of cake mix and the stick of melted butter. I'm gonna just go ahead and crack this in here, 1 egg. Oh yeah, I also wanted to add in some additional orange peel. Half a teaspoon. And that's it, and just go ahead and mix it. Alright, this is how it looks. The pan I'm gonna use, I have parchment paper in it already. I'm gonna go ahead and plop this up on here. Alright, just push it, mash it in the pan. I should put some flour so it could be easier. Alright, let me get this patted down and I'll get back to y'all, Lord's will. It seemed like it took 18 hours to pat that down in there. Yeah, I had to use some flour on my hand. And let's go ahead and pour cream cheese and sour cream mixture on top. On the oven on 325. You know how long it baked for. Yes, y'all, this is how it looked. After 40 minutes on 325, cover it, like the top of it, and put it in the refrigerator and let it set overnight. Okay, this is the day after. Oh my goodness, it smells so good. Cut it the best I can. Oh, my bar's kind of big. It ain't gonna be itsy bitsy tiny. It's a itsy wincy teeny weeny yellow polka dot. Oh, nah, it ain't gonna be that. It's gonna be a biggie wiggy gummy pieces. Alright, this is how it looks. Now I wanted the part that had crust. It's more in the middle, so this is how it look, y'all. I smell that cream cheese, sweet. I don't know if I smell like the floral now. Okay, a little bit. And I'm smelling that butter. Let me get into this. I'm definitely tasting that floral and that citrus. However, this do need to set a little bit longer, and I'm surprised because it was overnight. Because it'll be more firmer, and then it'll be a little bit colder. It's not. It's cold, but it's not as cold, and it's not as firm. I have to sit a little longer, but it's not bad at all. Oh yeah, I did put sour cream in here. Okay, maybe I'm tasting a little bit now. It was more of that cream cheese, but yeah, I'm tasting a little bit now. That end part was really good. Yeah, I did that. I'm gonna let it set a little longer and I'll see if there's a little difference. Now, which one I like best more than this and the blondies? Blondies are just a little bit different than the Ooey Gooey. Like the Ooey Gooey is based more on like the cream cheese on top. Those are good too. If you didn't see that video, you see that video and see what I scored it. That will be tied, but I just want to let it sit. I'll give it 9.8. Yeah, I'm gonna let it set and see if it changed. But so far, delicious. Oh, close to also, but we'll see. Try this recipe out, but set it a little longer. Y'all have a blessed day. This is the next day. It was my refrigerator, y'all. That's the reason why I wasn't set, so I had to make sure. I had to like try to adjust it, but yeah, I'm gonna test it again to make sure it's set. And I got the part with the crust. This it. And I know y'all want to see me, but you ain't gonna see me today. Why? Well, technically you did see me, cause the other clips. But not today when I'm testing the firmness. This is good. More colder and more firmer. How I like it. Delicioso now. I think I'll give it a 10.5. It didn't get to 11 just yet. And that's usually the highest I score if you watch my channel. Now, what would I choose besides this and the blondie? I told you the other day it would be a tie probably. However, today, it's going to be this all day, baby. I'm seeing that blondie though. So yeah, that's about it. Yeah, have a blessed day.